Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn racing seconds together, step by step. In a race, every second counts. We'll learn the units of time, read clocks, and work out how much time has passed. Time builds up in steps. 60 seconds make a minute, 60 minutes an hour, and 24 hours a day. On a clock, the shorthand shows hours and the longhand minutes. At 3 o'clock, the shorthand points to 3 and the longhand to 12. From 4:15 to 4:50, the minutes passed are 50 minus 15, 35 minutes. To recap, 60 seconds a minute, 60 minutes an hour, 24 hours a day. The shorthand shows hours, the long minutes, and subtract to find elapsed time. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.